Hi friends, I am speaking your friend Prabhakaran. Now I am telling about how to create dynamic data table. Okay, so I am told to about that concept C# create dynamic data table in .NET and then also insert value to the database. Okay, so I am telling about this concept. Now I am already told to many more concepts to by using this C# tutorial. Okay, in this .NET concept. Okay, now I am telling about the how to create dynamically data table in C#. Okay, okay friends, if you are using that the management studio, the SQL database, and then many more Oracle and so much of database available, but you are using the database, then after only insert and retrieve the value, so many data center to the data entry to the database. So like this you can create database and then after insert that value to the database. Like that you can doing many more concept in SQL server and then the Oracle, so much of database you are using. But I am telling in this concept, I am told to you how to create dynamically. Okay, I am telling about that concept. Okay, so first of all I am go to I need the two component for to insert that value. Okay, so I need to this concept two components. Just I am go to add that two component. Okay, the data grid I need, so just I am drag and drop here. Okay, okay, I'm just leave it here and then extract it again like this. Okay, I am design this form and then I need one button. So I am, if you want to button means just go to double click this button, so the button came to this form. Okay, you can align that, or you need just remove and then go to, I am already designed that button, so I am just to go to copy this button and then go to declare here. Okay, just I am declare that button to here. Okay, and I am clicking that insert, the time only the data is inserted into the database. Okay, but I am also get to whenever inserted button I am clicking, that time that data is retrieved to this data grid view. Okay, the data table of data retrieved from data table to this data grid view. Okay, so how to get that data table value to this data grid view? Okay, so first of all I am going to double click this button, so the event open to the button click event. Okay, now I am declare that the code for insert the data table. Okay, so first of all I want to create the data table. Okay, so I am declare that data table, this is the C# code for creating data table. Data table, I am declare that variable name ss equal new data table. Okay, and then this is dot columns dot add. Okay, now I am declare that column name in this between to this bracket. I am declare that id and then ss dot columns dot add dot add bracket open. I am declare that between double quotation and close bracket end. Now I am declare here names and then ss dot columns dot add now I'm declare that between double quotation address and then I'm also declare ss dot columns dot add between double quotation I'm declared a project and then also declare ss dot columns dot add. Here I am declaring between double quotation mobile or anything. I am declaring here qualified qualification. Okay, so I am declared that 5 columns to the data table. Okay, the data table of 5 column I am declared to here. Okay, and then hand I am declared I need the row. Okay, first I am declared that columns, the table of column I am declared to here, and then I need to row. Okay, each row I needed, so that purpose I am going to declare that row. So data row and declare the variable name to this row, anything you can declare. Okay, and declare that row equal new that table of ss dot new row. Okay, now I am declared that row that angle bracket open, and then I am declared that value, that columns value. Okay, so I am declared that id columns between double quotation. Okay, that column name I want to declare to here, so that purpose I am declare, and then equal between double quotation and declare 1 or not 1 and finish it. Okay, here I am declaring the id just to copy this and then control V and then control V and then control V and then control V. So 5 times 5 columns available, so 5 times I am declared to here. Okay, just to copy this name, control C and declare to here, and then address copy and then go to declare to here, and then project copy and then declare to here, and then qualification copy and then declare to here. Okay, again now id equal not at 1, name equal just and declare Prabha, and then I'm going to declare address and declare in anyone India, like that. Okay, and then I'm going to declare here project. What is a project? .NET project. Okay, or ASP. Okay, just I'm declare that ASP .NET. .NET, and then qualification B. Okay, like this I am inserted. Okay, and finally I am declare that ss dot rows dot add. Okay, that row name I am declare here row. Okay, control S. Here I want to declare the for each condition. For each open bracket, here data row, and declare the variable name d row, data row, okay, d row, and then I declare that in ss DataTable dot ss dot rows, and open bracket and close bracket. Between I am declare here one data grid view. So the data grid view name I am declared to here. This is the data grid view name, data grid view 1. So I am going to declare here data grid view 1 dot rows. So first of all I need that one condition, the automatically generate the rows. So that purpose I am going to declare that int I am declared to here number of rows. So I am declared num, and then data grid view 1 dot rows dot add. Okay, now I am going to declare the data grid view 1 dot rows num angle dot cells 0 dot value equal to this d row. Okay, just copy and then declare to here, control V, and then I declare that value id finish dot toString, control S, sit home, control C, control V, and then control V. Okay, 5 times and declare. So 5 columns available, so that purpose I declare the 5 table. Okay, so the first one I am going to declare here first column 2 0, second column 1, third column 2, fourth column 3, then fifth column 4. Okay, control S. Now I am declaring here names, control C, and then go to declare control V, and then address, control C, and then go to declare control V, and then project also I want, so just go to control C and then declare control V, and also qualification just copy and then replace here. Okay, so friends, now I am going to run it. What happened, just listen carefully. Now I am going to run it. It's loading, just wait for a minute. Okay, so now I'm created that code for create table, that number of columns and the number of rows. Okay, only one row one day I'm added to here. Sorry, this is one of the before concept of form. So just I'm go to that data create table. So the create table name, so I have in create table, just I'm going to declare that program form. So just I'm going to declare here create table. Okay, control S, this run time event. Just now I'm going to run it. Okay friends, I'm told to you once again that code concept. This is a code. Okay, now I'm going to tell about this. First of all, I'm going to create that column. Okay, the table column. So this is the 5 column of that each row. Okay, this is the column name of 5 columns of this data table, and then this is the each row. Okay, each row of column data. Okay, so the id means that id means 0001, so the id goes to that this id, and then Prabha goes to names, so this column, and then address India goes to this, and then like this. So each columns go to, so this is the row columns, the data table of column, and then this is the data table of rows. So this is the data goes to the column. Okay, we want to know insert or not. Okay, so that purpose we need that data insert or not the data into the data table. So that purpose I am declared that the data grid view. So identification, so we need the identification of inserted or not. I want to know about that, so I am declared that the data grid view. Okay, so just I am going to run it. What happened? So only one record, only the rows only I am inserted, so just I am going to declare that insert button, so that form loaded to here. Just wait for minutes friends, just is loaded. Okay, and the number of column not added, so that purpose you should go to add that column. Okay, so first of all I'm going to stop it. So this is the C# code for creating, so this is the C# code for creating that table column and then table rows, and then we identification, we need the identification in this data will be inserted or not data into the table, so that purpose I am declared that identification data will be. Okay, so first of all I am going to create here I need the 5 columns for to add, so add column. Now I am going to declare here id add, and then second one I'm going to declare names add, and then third one I'm going to add here what means the address add, and then fourth one declare that project add, and then fifth one I'm going to add qualification, just declare the qualify. Okay, and then close it, so the automatically it's created. So and then just I'm going to address, I want to fill this these columns, this all the column auto fill this data grid view. Okay, so how to fill it, just I'm going to click here and then go to here edit column, I want to go that layout here. Okay, auto size mode not set, just I'm go to set to which one, id not address. Okay, address, and just to go to declare here autofill. Okay, so now I am going to declare fill. Okay, so the address automatically filled. Okay, so this data will be filled to this data will be this all column filled to this. Okay, it's automatically extend, just I'm go to show to you, see it's automatically extend and then fill it. Okay, like this. Okay friends, now I am going to run it. Now it will be automatically inserted into the data. Okay, see I am already created that the data. See 5 data 001 not 1, and then Prabha India ASB.NET he B. Okay, this qualification inserted in this data table of data column. Okay, if you want to know inserted or not, you want to check means, so just this listen into this data grid view. Okay, so just go to show to you. Now I'm just click here, insert. So not at one Prabha India, and then ASP.NET, and then B, this qualification all defaultly inserted. Okay, again also I'm inserted means again it's automatically inserted. Only one record only I'm inserted into that database data table, so that purpose it's automatically generated. Okay, and now I'm go to copy this all the row, control C, and then declare to here, control V, and then also enter, control V. Okay, like this, just to remove it, and then this one also remove. Okay, now I'm go to here, not to, and the name I'm declare Akash, and then I'm go to declare Mohan, and then this one is not 3. Okay, control S. Okay friends, so 1 and 2 and 3 records I am inserted into the data table. Okay, if you want to know inserted or not, you want to know, just insert. So that third one record inserted, again also third one only came. Okay, so we should need that each rows. So just to copy this row added, just to copy and then declare here, control V, and then also control V. Okay, control S. Now I am go to run it. Insert. So the not at 1, not at 2, not at 3. Okay, so all the data came to this this data view, and then also inserted into the data table. Okay, if you want to insert that data into that directly, so this all the data grid view data you want to insert to the database SQL Server database means, already I told to you in before video, the sets of the data grid view data inserted into the database. Okay, so that concept I am told to you in before video. Okay friends, now it's one of the defaultly, okay, it's a default, this program inserted concept. Okay, we want to dynamic, so this dynamically we want to insert the data. How to do insert the data into the data table? Okay, so I am just to go to declare. See, we need not this one, three columns, so just I am go to remove this, we need not this one. Okay, so first of all I am go to declare this column, I am declared, and then I am go to first of all design that form. Okay, I need the text box, just I am go to declare that text box, drag and drop here, and then control C and then control V. Control V. Okay, now I am going to insert that columns. Okay, so first of all I am going to manually we want to insert. Okay, so this one is the text box 1, and then text box 2, and then text box 3, and then text box 4, and then text box 5. Okay, it's evenly having into this form. Okay, so just I am going to declare insert button. Here I am declaring that name of text box. Okay, so just I am going to declare that remove this all text box 1 dot text. Okay, and then just to copy this, control C, design, name text box 2. So just I'm go to declare control B text box 2, and then here control B text box 3, address text box 3, and then text box 4 the project, and then and declare text box 5. Control S. Okay friends, now what you are declaring into the text box, that one inserted into the ID, and then text box 2 means inserted into the ID name, and then text box 3 means inserted into the address, and then text box 4 means inserted into the project, and text box 5 means qualification. Okay, like this you can insert it. Okay, just I am go to run it. Now the default row having insert, so first of all I am going to remove that defaultly added that row. So just I am go to design form, here the having that row, just I need not, I am just to go to enable adding remove. Okay, so now not having this enabled. Okay, now I am going to run it. Okay, that form open to here. Okay, now I am going to insert the data. Okay, so now I'm just before I am just click insert, the time that not at 1 not at 3 2 Prabha Mohan like that records you got in this manually. Okay, that purpose manually you got, but not having that records into this place. Okay, so that all the text box empty, so that purpose the empty records open. Okay, again also means empty records only open to here. Okay, if you want to insert any record means just click not one, and then go to here any name. Okay, just I'm go to declare that Raja, and then go to declare here address, any one address, and then tab I'm declare that project ASP, and then declare that qualification BSc. Okay, like this. Okay, now I'm going to insert, so the not one, and then Roger, and then name, and then address, and then ASP BSc. Okay, like this records you can get. Again also I am inserted means just click to not 2, and just insert not 2, and then declare not 3 means not 3 also inserted, and then not 4 you want not 4 means not 4, and then we want to rename means just given here Prabha. Okay, Prabha, and then to go to insert. So like this you can insert the record. Okay, okay friends, now you are inserted here. Okay, you want to save the data into the database means I'm already told to you that concept. Okay, in before video, so I am show to you that form. See, insert, delete, update data in database using C#. Okay, like this. View data, already I am view the data, and then update means when I clicking that update. Okay, the 6 record having here, and then given update means it's saved into the database, save successfully. This concept I am told to you in before video. Okay, and then if you are enabled means if you want to save a rename. Okay, means just click here once again, I'm just rename here like this. Okay, you can rename, and then also you want to rename the Raja means just go to declare that Mohan, okay, you can mohan, okay, you can do anything in this data grid view. Okay, like this also you can insert a data table. Okay, you can create that dynamically data table and then retrieve in this data grid view. What you are declaring into the data grid view, that one want insert into the database means just given insert means that time inserted into the database. Okay, if you want to know about that inserted or not, want to know about that details means the data is inserted or not. If you want to know about database means you just go to refer this concept of video, this video. Okay, I am already declared that and I am provide to you. So just this video reference, or you got that data will be data is inserted into dynamically manually in this database. Okay, okay friends, thank you. Now I am told to you this concept how to retrieve and then create data table. Okay, how to manually create data table and then database. You want to insert the database, about this concept I am told to you. Okay, if you want to any concept to learn, means just comment to me and then subscribe. Bye friends, bye from now.